46. We'd like to thank our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and to all the customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure that you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute to review the safety card at your seat, and please also pay attention to the following safety video, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different.
Excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted vital signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tied across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, the slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You'll also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in ceiling compartments in the forward cabin, and 2 are in ceiling compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you've reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. Taxi, takeoff, and landing. Large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your the event oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remove face masks before putting on your oxygen masks. And if you are sitting in the exit row, we encourage you to open the window for taxi, takeoff, and landing. And we'd like to thank you again for flying with us this morning. We'll be back with more details about today's flight once we are in the air.
United Airlines is committed to doing the right thing for the long term, which is why I'm proud to announce United's new commitment to be 100% green by the year 2050. True sustainability is about taking on the biggest culprit in our industry, the emissions generated by our aircraft. The only way to really solve the climate change problem is through sustainable fuel and carbon sequestration. This is our chance to make a difference that will last for generations to come. Your journey begins before you order one, and so should ours. Flight Academy, we've made an unprecedented commitment to train the next generation of pilots.
We are removing that barrier to entry. We're opening up access to so many who never thought that aviation was possible for them.
I really think we're going to see a change for good in this industry because of what we're doing today here at this academy.
Welcome aboard. With DirecTV in-flight, the best in-flight entertainment is right here in your hands. You'll enjoy your flight with so much to choose from. You can watch live news or your favorite sports. Catch up on your favorites or find something new to watch. We'll keep the kids happy for hours on end with the best in family entertainment. In the mood for a movie? Then check out our exciting selection of Hollywood blockbusters. 8 movies, all included. To get started, you can use your headset or ask a flight attendant for a complimentary headset after takeoff. Then use the remote on your armrest to start surfing by selecting the blue button for the channel guide. It's that easy.
Explorer card. Get rewarded on the plane and on the ground. When checking in. When boarding. In the air. And anywhere life takes you. Ask your flight attendant for an application with additional benefits, pricing, and terms.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.